Okay guys, quick update. We're finally cleaning up these backing plates and the hubs. Patching all the rust holes in these and getting them ready for paint. This is actually cleaning up pretty good, minus the rust holes. It's not even sandblasted yet. We've just been going through with the needle grinder and taking all these big chunks off. Basically just pulverizes it, the rust off. Like 24 tiny little pneumatic hammers. Really fantastic tool. And it really cleans things up nice, but we're still gonna go through and sandblast, even though we probably don't have to. I mean, we could probably just throw some sealer on this and it'd be fine. But for the welding of the rust holes, we're gonna sandblast it so we can get nice clean welds, and we got some more needle grinding to do right there. This is after, and then this is what it looks like before. So all that massive stuff comes right off. Then I got a few holes to patch on this. I'm thinking I might just be able to tack them together, but we might have to do a whole steel patch. I might not even do it tonight. I might leave it for tomorrow, but then these definitely have to be patched with some steel. But luckily I have some steel here, so just go pull everything off yet, all this rust, blast them, and then patch them. So we got everything blasted and taken down. I'm not gonna do the welding tonight. We'll do it tomorrow. And as they say, good enough for government work. There's still scale here and little bits there and there. That we might actually clean up a little more, actually. That's not super good. Yeah, that's more like what I'd like to see. So we're gonna make some patches and weld them up tomorrow, and hopefully have them painted tomorrow. And maybe if I get them painted early enough, late in the evening, we can bolt them up to the axle. And then we also got the hubs done as well. These turned out quite a bit nicer. And really the only part I really spent any time getting pristine is right here, and the mating surfaces on all these pieces. The mating surfaces is where I got the majority of it clean. I mean, there's a little bit there, but it's flush. It's not like it's a bump. It's smooth, even though it doesn't look smooth. And the reason that is we want everyone straight and true to each other, because the drum goes on the back of the hub, that goes on the axle, and then we don't want the brakes to sit cockeyed and wear weird. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's going pretty well, actually, I'd say. Just gotta, these are ready for paint, even though we're not gonna do it tonight. We just gotta wipe them down, clean them out well. Then they're ready for paint and bearings and drums. I still have to buy the drums. They're quite pricey. They're not gonna be bought for maybe a couple weeks. And then once those are bought, we can slap them on here, and then we can worry about the rest of the brakes eventually. I'd like to get them built, maybe not necessarily adjusted, but at least slaps the shoes and hardware in before I put these hubs on, because I don't really want to take them on and off a couple times. One and done is what we're going for. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Might sandblast those, might not, we'll see. But I'm gonna come back tomorrow early in the morning and we'll weld those up. Hopefully I'll get it done before like 11 o'clock. And yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing. And then Crown Vic got an oil change today. And she might get a car wash tonight yet, or it'll probably be tomorrow, if not tonight. So we shall see. Yeah, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one.